Do drones and cyber warfare blur IHL and human rights law? Imagine a world where technology blurs the lines between peace and war, making it harder to tell when laws are being followed or broken. That's what's happening with drones and cyber warfare. These tools are changing how conflicts unfold and how laws are applied. International Humanitarian Law, or IHL, and human rights law are two separate rules. IHL kicks in during armed conflicts to protect civilians and prisoners of war. Human rights law applies at all times, protecting rights like life and freedom from torture, whether there is war or peace. Drones are often used in areas without clear battle lines. When armed drones target individuals outside recognized war zones, it's tough to decide which law applies. If a drone strike happens in a country not officially at war, IHL might not be directly relevant. Instead, human rights law, which is stricter about the use of force, could be the main rule. But if the drone strike is part of an ongoing conflict, IHL governs the situation. It allows armed forces to target combatants but requires strict rules to protect civilians. Cyber warfare adds another layer of complexity. Cyber attacks can target military or civilian infrastructure from anywhere in the world. When these attacks cause physical harm or are part of a conflict, IHL applies. But if cyber operations happen during peacetime for espionage or sabotage, human rights law is the main guide. The challenge is when cyber attacks target civilian infrastructure like power grids. These can disrupt daily life and cause harm, raising questions about which rules should be followed. Both drones and cyber warfare make it harder to distinguish between combatants and civilians. Remote attacks and indirect effects can blur these lines. This can lead to confusion about whether IHL or human rights law should be used, or if both apply at the same time. Governments and armed groups need to carefully analyze each situation. They must decide which legal rules are relevant and ensure their actions follow those rules. In the end, these new technologies challenge traditional legal boundaries. They demand clear thinking and strict adherence to rules that protect civilians and respect human rights. It's a balancing act that requires constant legal review and a strong commitment to ethical conduct. As technology advances, so must our understanding of how to apply these laws fairly and effectively.